Are you troubled about handling order fulfillment? Are you tired of packing and shipping products by yourself? And do you want to sell products with your own brand and design? Do you need new ideas? Yes? CJ Print on Demand will do all for you, including printing, packing, and shipping. Leave more time for you to focus on building your brand. What makes us different? Price, products, shipping, branding, and service. Free sign-up. No monthly fee. No storage fee. No minimum order. You only pay when you submit an order, and our price is normally lower than Printful and Printify. Thousands of POD product selections, such as t-shirts, pillowcases, mugs, backpacks, jewelries, and phone cases. Professional product video shooting and images supply. We source any products for your print-on-demand business for free. Orders you get at your e-commerce store are automatically imported into your system and sent to fulfillment. CJ Packet, our own shipping service, is faster and more reliable than other shipping options. Besides, we partner with global carriers as well. We print and ship everything under your brand with custom labels, packings, and other branding options. After your inventory is stocked in our US warehouse, your orders will be processed at the same day and shipped via USPS in 2 to 5 days. One-to-one agent online support. Our agents are ready to answer all your questions anytime. How it works? To get started, you need a CJ Dropshipping account, which is free and can connect your online store. We connect with a bunch of e-commerce platforms, so you can choose one that suits you. Next, use CJ's Mockup Generator to create products with your designs for your store. It also allows your customers to upload their special designs to our products to create their own custom products. List products to your online store with as many products as you want without keeping inventory or worrying about leftovers. You only pay when someone makes an extra order in your store. Start selling and building your brand. We'll take care of the rest. Read our Facebook page for inspiration and watch helpful tutorials on our website. As soon as a customer buys a product from your store, the order information is automatically imported to us. We charge you for fulfillment, and what's left from your retail price is profit. We print your order, packets, and packings, and ship everything directly to your customer under your brand. Your customers receive their order in package covered with your brand, which makes it look like you shipped out by yourself. With CJ Print on Demand, you can save space, save time, and say goodbye to the hassle of packing and shipping items by yourself, all in one go.